my prize! The black tar is mine! I don't see you! Prize is gone! There now! There now! No, no, no! Stick together! This is one clever fox!
He was one such man, one who had lost all, over and over, and to this, he had lost his sanity. His was a never-ending journey away from the phantoms of his past. He believed he could silence the cacophony in his mind and find peace beyond a place he called the Plains of Silence. He now had the vehicle, the weapons, the provisions and the fortitude. He only needed the fuel. And here, there was but one place to go for fuel. Gastown.
Listen, my apostles of Apple! You've hunted well. And here's the fox who thought he'd plunder from Scabra Scrotus. We move out, my creatures.
Won't somebody tell me an answer if you can? I want someone to tell me what is the soul of a man? I'm going to ask a question. Answer if you can. Will anyone here tell me what is the soul of a man?
For another brawl. This setback would not stop him. He would have his peace, even if it meant another war. And war was coming, because he had created a mortal enemy.
What is the soul of a man?
Good boy.
What is the soul of a man?
Need water.
dog has led me right so far. Gotta find it.
Chumbuck, this man, are you quiet, gently? What? No!
For eating.
It's you. Alpha was alive inside the other gives birth. So to blaze by godly plug ignite. Revolution about revolution, rejoice! Please, don't kill Chumbucket! Please! Hey!
Why shouldn't I?
Because I know you. Yeah, I spied you in the long lookers. They left you for the blowflies, and they snatched your ride, and now you'll be looking to snatch it back. That's what the prophecy says. You're the driver.
That's right.
And Chumbucket is your man. Yeah, I'm your man. Yeah, yes, I am. See, I have a vehicle that can take you to your car. I do say. That's right. See, she's not running now. Sorry for that. I came here for the parts. You see, I'm a Blackfinger. I can make it work again. And Dinky D, too, is gonna need an overhaul.
Don't go stray.
No, I won't. I know you'll find me and dismantle me. I know. Chumbucket's not stupid. Over here. Over. Come. Oh, I can make you become steel real.
Dog's bleeding out.
Oh, I can fix it, but I do my best work in my sanctum.
Push the car.
I need wire to fix my buggy, but then I can show you where they took the black on black.
Where do I find wire?
Up that path! But before you go, grab some grits, Saint. You must be running on fumes.
Got dead man. Anything for me? Ammo. No wire.
Cut out your feet with the captain who'll set your fucking back! Oh, bring it on! Should know better! Maggot, roadkill, and mess with the best! You're down now! Another one! Fun's not over yet, boys! You regret coming here, boy!
Wait!
Hurry, Saint! Dinky D's leaking bad! Oh. Here I heard the bloody sounds of a smackdown. You're not leaking, are you? Tell me you're not leaking. Huh? Praise be! Praise be! My buggy's just over here. Follow me. Come. This way.
Easy, dog. Easy.
Rev it up and go, Saint. The buggy's humble, but she can haul.
The sooner I get my car back, the sooner I'll be on my way.
Woo, amen! Huh? May we arrive in time to save your black on black from slaughter. These barbarians love to chop. Yes, from that looky-look point, we may be able to spot your car. We can see the camp from up there, without risk of detection. Over here! Over! Come look! Yeah, see, this is where the thick brows squat and cut. Those butchers, infidels. Oh, yeah, look, there. Scabrous Scrotus is their king. Yeah, he's a big boss man from the gas town, you see. Scrotus always keeps the best parts for himself. Yeah, but he's not here now. You see, I don't see the Land Rover.
I'm getting my car back.
Wait, please. An idea. It's better for you, and it's better for me. Just listen. Look, your black on black is toast. It's scrap. It's gone. She'll never be whole again. Huh? Now I can build you a car, bring into creation one that's faster and tougher than the black on black ever was. Yeah?
How tough, how fast?
Very. Faster than fear. Tougher than an iguana's gonads. Come with me. We mustn't be seen. Huh? I'll take you to the tabernacle, and when you see what I'm gonna show you, you'll be shouting holy all day long.
Yeah, good cover. Perfect place to build a car.
Come, Saint. Yes, I have much to show you.
What is this place?
You are in the outer graves. Over there is the Great White.
An ancient seabed.
I'm not sure. No, but we are at the bottom. It doesn't get any lower than this. When you're ready, Saint, my holy hideout awaits. Come and see. Huh? Come Come and see, O saint. A dream, a hallucination become truth. The angel made steel. By the fire that moves the piston, by the tranny on all high, by the cam and the U-joint, blessed be, there she lies, the magnum opus. There she is.
This ain't her car. It's just a mess of parts.
No. She's knowledge from the numinous, divinely inspired. She wills herself upon this world. Look! See, here, divine meets tri-shaft and a symbiosis of faith. Modded and made to measure. You want some of that old-time religion, huh? I got a classic whammy turbo high dog, huh? Hell yeah! Bulletproof and torture-tested, statically upgraded with chum bucket overdrive. Coils, and springs, shocks, and links too.
It's gonna be 8 cylinders, nothing less.
Yes, we will get there, yes. First, we have to get her beautificial body.
Show me where it is.
Yes? Come, no time like the present. Come on, Saint. We must go. We will liberate her body from a place sad and strange where the chariots of old went to die. A place I call the graveyard. Where we must go in the dead of night when the buzzard guardians are away on their wild hunt. We're low on fuel. Unfortunately, with gas time comes the blessings of gasoline. We should find enough fuel for us to make it to the graveyard.
Keep the car safe. Empty. Whoever was here is long gone now, along with anything of use.
There's fuel all around. Keep your eyes peeled. Ooh, a big steel gift box. What prizes do you hold?
She's out of gas.
Let me get my hands on you!
You want to score us as henchmen? Finish him!
Hey! I was gonna kill him!
We're in luck. We may refuel and demolish.
Full can.
Fill her up, huh? All the way to the brim. Praises, she's full. But let's bring an extra for refueling or blowing something up. Let us make haste before the nightly hunters return to their lair. Nobody around. Their gate unguarded. The gasoline, Saint. One blast should split it wide open.
So let's make this one count. So let's make this one count.
Exaltation! She's cracked open. We must hurry. Wardens of this place murder on sight. The fiends that tend this catacomb don't like strangers. No! Little danger killers everywhere. Be careful. Traps ahead! There! Our prize, right for the taking! Go quickly! The only way to get up there is through those cave tunnels!
Get the car in place down here. I'll lower the body onto it.
Yes. She'll be ready, as I will.
Something here. Maybe I could zip down this. Flashlight. Handy. Still works too.
Yes! There you are, Saint! And you got the whole world up there, in your hand! You got a choice to make! Which one shall be your prize? Choose! Get down here so we can escape with our skin! Creatures of the underworld! Oh, praise be! We're alive and free of the graveyard! Wait, but something's loose! Oh, I can fix it now if you stop, or later at my sanctum. It's your choice.